Are you watching potential clients slip through the cracks because your law firm's intake process is a bottleneck? You're not alone. For many firms, disjointed tools and scattered data make it nearly impossible to stay on top of every interaction, costing them not just hours, but actual revenue. That's the exact problem Lawmatics claims to solve. In this honest review, we're diving deep into Lawmatics, an AI-powered legal CRM and client intake software. We'll explore its features, from intake to marketing automation, and weigh the positives and potential drawbacks based solely on what the developer, Lawmatics, promises on their site. Lawmatics positions itself not just as software, but as a complete legal client platform built to replace manual busywork with automation and visibility. The core of its offering is built on three main pillars. There's the legal case intake software. This is designed to turn initial inquiries into booked consults and signed agreements by eliminating bottlenecks. Lawmatics offers three main plans, starting with the Essential tier, which is built for firms striving to boost client capacity while operating at peak efficiency, and it includes core tools like client intake, lead management, custom forms, e-signature, task management. The next step up is the Premium plan, designed for firms targeting rapid growth and record profitability, and it adds everything in Essential plus powerful marketing automation, round-robin scheduling, advanced conflict checking, email marketing, and custom reporting with full analytics and ROI tracking for up to 10,000 contacts. Finally, there is a top-tier option simply labeled with what appears to be everything in Premium, along with custom pricing, a dedicated account manager, and full access to all features, which is clearly aimed at large firms or enterprises needing a tailored solution. It's important to note that while we now have a much clearer picture of what each tier includes, actual pricing still requires you to contact them for a demo and a custom quote. Thanks for watching, and here's to building a more efficient law firm.